So Samsung's next high-end flagship, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Galaxy S22 Note. I don't know whatever the name gonna be. This is the first Galaxy S series phone to feature an S Pen slot, a dedicated S Pen slot. The model number SM-S908U has been spotted on Samsung's website, and this is actually a Chinese variant, by the way. Now, the listing doesn't mention anything apart from the model number, same way we have seen the Galaxy S21 FE as well. But this is just another indication that the S22 series is coming real soon. So we might just see a lot more things like this. So for that, subscribe this channel. Now, we recently saw the details of the color options and the storage options that will be available for the whole Galaxy S22 series, which is kind of cool. Now, the same leaker Snoopy also first spotted this listing, claims that the production is now in full swing. Right now, the production has started for things like flex cable and stuff like that. Now, the tipster also said that Samsung has started production of the Galaxy Tab S series as well, but the volume is low at this moment. The Chinese variant of the Galaxy S22 Ultra / Galaxy S22 Note has also been seen on the Geekbench listing. And this Galaxy S22 Ultra / Galaxy S22 Note has the recently launched Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset inside. And so the scores, it managed to score a single core score of 1219 and a multi-core score of 3154 points. Now, if you don't know, this is not an impressive score at all. Just by looking at the predecessor scores, the Galaxy S21 Ultras, which usually scores around 1100 points in single core tests, and in multi-core tests, it scores around 3500 points. So it doesn't look really good. Now, even a reference device by Qualcomm, if you haven't seen that video, you also should check out, with the same Snapdragon chipset, did way better. And if you want the wallpapers from the thumbnail photos, then visit my website joindavid.com, link down below. So what actually is this then? Well, keep this in mind, the Galaxy S22 Ultra / Galaxy S22 Note seen on the Geekbench listing isn't a final retail unit. That could be one case, or maybe it's a fake listing. That also can be a thing, because the phone listed over here has 8GB of RAM only, which according to the past leaks should have been at least 12GB or 16GB. But anyway, leaks are coming, we will get to know about the phone even more, and that's exciting. And another exciting thing is, we're all waiting for the Exynos 2200 with AMD GPU listing. We want to see that, which will also power the device in some markets. So yeah, that's also exciting. Now, Samsung is expected to reveal the Galaxy S22 series in February of the next year. But before that, we also have the S21 FE. So yeah, it's a pretty exciting year for the Galaxy fans. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.